Welcome back. We'll learn about the arrays in this video. Array is a group of variables of similar data type and they are referred by a single element. They are stored in contiguous memory location. The array elements are always counted from 0. The elements are accessed using the position of the element in the array. Okay. So here comes the syntax for the declaration of arrays. It is data type, array name, array size. Array size is specified inside a square bracket. Okay. Int a of 10. Okay. That is the example for the array declaration. Okay. Here goes the syntax for the initialization of array elements. Okay. Here data type, array name, and it is equal to, and we are specifying all the elements inside the curly braces. This is similar to that of like how we initialize a single variable. Int a is equal to 10. We do that now. Similarly, for the arrays, we initialize in this format. Okay. So the accessing of the elements is done using the index. Okay, index position. So this is referred as, this E1 is referred as array name of 0. And element 2 is array name of 1, and this is array name of 2. So this is done using the index. The access is done using the index position. And for traversal in the sense getting the input from the user for the array variable and printing the elements in the array in the monitor screen. These are all the traversal methods, and for that we are going to use for loop. Okay. The advantages of arrays are it requires only few lines of code, and the random access is possible using the index position, the method. Okay. The searching and sorting is also very easy in the arrays. The arrays also have some disadvantages. They are static in nature. Arrays are static in nature and allocated memory only at the compile time. Okay. And the insertion and deletion of the elements is difficult. We'll now write a program to obtain the user input for the arrays, and we have to print the elements in the array. Okay. This is so we'll begin the header file. Int array name is A, size is 3, okay. And enter the 8 elements. Using its for loop, size is less than 3. So 3 is the size of the array. So the elements must be from 0, 1, and 2. Okay. Scanf percentage D comma %A of I. Okay. This step. For int j is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Yeah. Printf percentage. We'll write a slash and before that. Percentage d comma a of j. Okay, j is the looping variable. It is loop. Okay. So we will obtain three elements: a of 0, a of 1, a of 2. Okay, these three elements are got from the user, and in this step, all the three values that are stored inside the array name is printed. Okay, we'll check now. Capture it as arr.c is gtc arr.c underscore. Now we are going to enter three values for the array. See, we have got the three values, and those three values are stored and it is printed. Okay. Hope you are all clear with the concepts of array. And in the next video, we'll learn about the multi-dimensional arrays. Thank you.